Presenting a pre-owned 2012 GMC Acadia Denali. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This GMC has less than 122,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, Bluetooth, and power windows.